Baking soda is a household staple with a variety of uses. You can use it to reduce odor, remove stains, whiten teeth, and even help treat heartburn. However, the benefit of baking soda doesn't stop there. If you want to bleach or lighten your hair, minus a trip to the salon, baking soda might do the trick. Let's find out how. Did you know that baking soda is a natural cleansing agent and an abrasive cleaner? You can use baking soda to remove tough stains on fabric and hard surfaces. It can also remove semi-permanent hair color or stains. Since baking soda is a scrubbing agent, washing your hair with it can strip the dye from your locks gradually. You can lighten all hair colors using baking soda, but it might take a few washes to get your desired color. Here's how to lighten or bleach your hair with baking soda. Baking soda by itself. To bleach your hair using only baking soda, create a paste by combining 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a bit of water. Slowly add enough water until you achieve a medium-thick consistency. Also, make sure it isn't too watery or too thick. Next, massage the baking soda paste over your hair. Allow the mixture to sit on your hair for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse or wash your hair. Baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. You can also lighten your hair with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Combine 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide until it forms a paste-like consistency. Apply this paste over your hair and then leave it on for an hour if you have dark hair. If you have lighter hair, leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing your hair with cold water. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Baking soda with anti-dandruff shampoo. You can speed up the bleaching process by mixing baking soda with an anti-dandruff shampoo. Here's how to do it. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of anti-dandruff shampoo until you achieve a paste-like consistency. Apply this paste evenly over your hair and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Baking soda is a natural and very affordable cleansing agent that can remove product buildup on your hair and scalp. However, it's not suitable for everyone. Even though baking soda can help remove hair dye and lighten your hair color, its high alkalinity can also make your hair become frizzy, dry, and brittle. Baking soda also doesn't contain moisturizing ingredients that you'll find in shampoos and conditioners. If your hair becomes too dry and brittle, it will lose its strength and fall out. Baking soda can also cause scalp irritation, especially to those with sensitive skin. So how can you avoid these problems? You can add water and dilute the baking soda before applying it to your hair or scalp. Another way to avoid problems is to use a deep conditioner as part of your daily wash routine to keep your strands hydrated and restore lost moisture. Make sure to use baking soda sparingly too. Try using baking soda for 2 to 3 days in a row to get your desired hair color, and then wait a few weeks before reapplying it to your hair. Bleaching your hair at home has never been easier. With baking soda, you can naturally bleach your hair, lighten it a couple of shades, or add some subtle highlights. Amazing, isn't it? However, it's also worth noting that baking soda can have a drying effect on your hair. That's why it's important to deep condition your hair and use baking soda sparingly. Have you ever tried baking soda to bleach your hair? Tell us about your experience in the comments section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.